Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if you're experiencing low ring volume levels on your Android smartphone. So if you don't really hear the phone ringing too well, but it still makes a sound, but just not very loud, or at least not loud enough for your preference. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve that. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is swipe up on your home screen and then select the setting gear button. And then you want to go down on this page until you get to sound and vibration and select it. And where it says audio will play on, ring volume, if you want to make the ring volume louder, drag it to the right. Conversely, you can drag it to the left to make it quieter. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys, how to do it. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.